everyone, welcome to the new video. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the Internshala trainings, that is online trainings that Internshala is offering. So basically they are giving 55 plus 10% discount, that is 65% discount on their online trainings like web development, Android development, etc. So you can avail this offer through my link. It's a referral link so that you can get amazing discount, that is 55 plus 10% discount. So let's start and see what trainings the Internships provide. So they provide many 20 plus internships or online trainings. Some of all the trainings are listed here, like programming with Python. Okay, so it will build you Python skills. Next is digital marketing, web development, Android app development, data science, ethical hacking, creative writing. Okay, so French language, they are providing also language courses, C++, AutoCAD. Alright, so Java programming, graphic design. So they are providing many good skills things that you can learn. Photography also, cloud computing, and they are also providing startup skills, placement preparation, video editing, etc. Another is they are offering specializations course, that is machine learning specialization. If you want to develop skills in machine learning, you can buy this course. Duration is of 6 months and they have this specialization including. Let's see how what is inside this course. So here it is, machine learning specialization. They will build your career in data science. You will get certified once you've completed. The duration will be 6 months and they have 10 seats left, so hurry up. So these are the contents of the course which you will be getting. They are the teachers. Second, they'll provide like what projects will you build in this course. There are 4 projects, and one good thing is that they provide 24 hours of support system and also placement assistance. Here it is a certificate that you will get. It is a sample certificate. Let's see next. And how you can enroll is that you can just add your email, password, name and mobile number, and then you have to choose your batch. It is very easy. Use my link if you want to buy this machine learning specialization course. The course amount is 20,000, but now it is giving on 11,699. So if you want to buy this, you can buy. But these courses are very cheap and they're offering 65% discount, so you can buy these courses. So let's talk about Android app development. You have to click on no more. Here it is. They're providing you training highlights, like what will be learned and what are the projects. The certificate will look like this. So they are giving placement assistance also on providing this online training. So you can see the contents, that is the syllabus. You can also watch a trial video if you want to. So in this video they are showing that how they will teach you Android app development. So they use very good thing, that is animated videos, so you can learn easily. You can watch this also. Let's close this and continue. So here are the projects that you will build, like food ordering, robot apps, etc., Avengers app, book app, etc. There are the teachers. who will teach you these courses. You can also read reviews about the students, like how they like the course or not. So for this, what you have to do is you have to go to my description in the YouTube and just copy this link and enter. So you will land on this page, and just you have to choose your course and provide this, fill this form, and you will get the 4500 course only at 1349, which is very cheap. So you can use my referral link, which will be given in the description. Courses are amazing. So now let's talk, why should you pay for this online training when there are so many free online resources. So you have a doubt, all of you have a doubt, like why should I pay if there are free courses available online? So it is like very structured. The problem with the free resources that there are far too many of them, making it difficult for you. And you will also work on project parallel, where you make something from scratch, like a website or an app. And there are few more pointers, like the teachers of the trainings have years of experience, and all the teachers and the trainings are made by the professionals. Okay, so and the intentional trainings also test their knowledge through quizzes, modules, and exams. They will provide you proper support system, 24 hours and they will have the doubts you will have, they will solve your doubts on the Q&A forum. So guys, what are you waiting for? Here are more better reasons to make your friends learn a new skill through Internshala trainings. So hurry up and buy these courses. They have limited period of time. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please do like it, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.